this is Simran. Welcome or welcome back to my channel all about NSD, and in today's video I'm gonna do my entire face makeup with Inside Cosmetics product. And first of all, I want to clarify this thing that this video is not sponsored. I haven't got any of the product in the PR package. All of the products used in this video is purchased by my own hard-earned money, and this video is highly inspired by Shreya Jain because I loved her this concept of doing makeup with one brand makeup. And all of the products used in this video are under rupees 200 or for rupees 200. Only the primer is 30 rupees higher than 200 rupees. This is not the first time that I have used these products in this video. I have used these products earlier for my Instagram video as well, so I will be able to give you a mini review of each product in the video itself. So if you like this look and if you want to see the subtle glowing super fresh look, let's just go into the video directly. But before that, if you have not followed me on Instagram yet, do follow me there, and if you have forgot to subscribe to my channel till now, please do subscribe it now and press the bell button along with it so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. Also, I want to clear this thing that I have moisturized my face well with my regular moisturizer because I cannot compromise with my skincare routine, and I have done my eyebrows as well because there was no as such a different product available with Inside Cosmetics for brows, so I have already done those things. And let's just not waste any further more time and let's just dive into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eye makeup first, for which I'm gonna start with the primer, and I'm gonna use this Inside Makeup Essentials Primer 3-in-1 primer, which primes, protects and moisturizes, and this is long lasting as well. So this is in a silicone form as you can see, and I'm gonna take a very little amount of it. I'm gonna apply on my eyelids. To give my eyeshadow a base, I'm going to use this concealer from Inside Cosmetics. This is their Inside Cosmetics Makeup Essential 2X Cover Master Concealer. There were 2 to 3 varieties available of concealer, but I chose this one, and this one retails for rupees 110, whereas the primer retails for rupees around 240. Yeah. So I'm going to directly take it in from this and going to apply it. To blend my concealer, I'm gonna use this small brush and I'm gonna blend it. You can see that the concealer is not full coverage, but it is giving some coverage, so I'm very much okay with it. While I was searching for the eye section, I didn't found any eyeshadow palette, so I chose this Metalist Glitter eyeshadow. This is in the shade 02 Bare. There were 2 to 3 shades available of this, and trust me, this is one of the best eyeshadow I have ever used. So this retails for rupees 180 and it looks like this. The quantity is 4 ml, which is great for this price. I'm just gonna use this in this area. This dries out very quickly, and you can see that this was so easy to do this. For the transition color today, I'm going to use this Inside Makeup Essentials 24 Hours Creamy Matte Transfer Proof Long Wear Lipsticks, and this is in the shade 07 Feeling Bubbly. This is a very pretty nude pink shade, and this came free with my order because I ordered for more than 500 to 600 rupees on Nykaa of Inside Cosmetics. Some products are being ordered from Nykaa, and some are being ordered from their official site. This one was from Nykaa, so they gave it to me absolutely free. I'm gonna take this smaller brush and gonna apply the transition color with this brush only. So this is the easiest way you can do your eyes, and you can see I have used just 2 products, one lipstick and one eyeshadow, and you can see the makeup is looking so nice. It is a very natural eye makeup. In the eyeliner category, all the black eyeliners were stocked out at the time I ordered Inside Cosmetics products, so I decided to take this silver one, though I'm not going to use this today because it will not complement the look. The look is already very glowing and very subtle and very natural, and I don't want to use this, but I'm going to swatch it for you on my hand. I'm gonna show you that this is highly pigmented and one swipe pigmentation. And for my eyelashes, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first with this eyelash curler, which is from a local market, and this retailed for rupees 80, and this works pretty well. You can see. And look, I'm gonna use this Inside mascara. This retails for rupees 110, and there is this comb kind of a thing which is very new, and I haven't seen this kind of a thing in other mascara, so I'm gonna try and comb my lashes first. it's combing my lashes very well. You can see the difference in both the eyes. This is really working. You can see that I haven't used this comb thing here, but I have used it here, and you can see the difference already. This is working, yeah. Let's try their mascara. This mascara doesn't give you the volume or the length, but it just, enhances the eyelashes, because I have used it before as well, so I know it. I'm done with applying my mascara on my lower lashes as well. Forward with the base makeup, I'm again gonna use this Inside Cosmetics primer. I'm gonna take a little bit and gonna focus on my open pore area so that minimizes my open pores, and rest whatever is left on my hand, I'm gonna spread it on all over my face. By the way, this is a silicone based primer, and this is not the hydrating or regular cream primers, and it works very well on oily skin, and for dry skin as well. It works good. It makes the base look smoother and the makeup glides on very easily. My regular followers must know this, that I love to do my concealers first rather than applying foundation. So again, I'm gonna use the same concealer under my eye. This is quite light to my skin tone, but I don't have dark circles as such, so it will work. And I'm applying pretty good quantity of this concealer, because this is not that pigmented as you have seen on the eyelids. That's why I'm applying it too much. Otherwise, I do apply concealers, in a very less amount. But this is not that pigmented, so I need to work with this only. Same brush I used before, and I'm gonna dab my concealer into the areas I've applied it. You can see, though it is very light to my skin tone, but it is not that good coverage, and that's the reason my pigmentation is still visible. After applying a lot of concealers under my eyes, which I usually don't do, this is covering my dark circles. So for daily outings or daily makeup thing, you can use this concealer. You can see that this works pretty good in a light to medium coverage, and you can apply this or use this as a daily concealer. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this Ultra Thin Second Skin Long Wear Foundation, and this retails for ₹160, and this is in the shade 01 Golden Honey. And there were 2 to 3 variants of foundation available with Inside Cosmetics, but I chose this one because I loved that sugar drop the way serum foundation. So I thought that that kind of consistency works pretty well on my face, so I decided to order this one. And this is under ₹200, so I wanted to see if this really works, because it is really good that we spend our money on the things which are working, rather than seeing that, okay, I messed up the foundation as well. Okay, and to blend my foundation, I'm going to use this beauty blender instead of a brush, because I wanted to see how natural it looks. Okay, so now when I have applied a lots of quantity of foundation on my face, I can see it on my skin. But when I used this foundation last time with a brush, it actually didn't show up on the camera. It actually didn't work the way it is working now. So I think this foundation is working well with the beauty blender rather than brush. It's blending very easily into the skin. You can see it's actually looking like a second skin, and is not looking that cakey or that fake artificial look. This is giving a very natural look. This is looking very natural and very good. So just because it didn't cover up my under eye and stuff, I'm gonna use one more layer of concealer. but this time not in that much quantity. So I still can see the darkness under my eye and around this area in real, but I'm very much okay with this much of coverage for casual outing and stuff. Okay, so for contouring and highlighting, I'm gonna use this Inside Makeup Essentials Duo 2-in-1 stick. So it says on one side it is conceal contour and on other side there is a highlighter, and I haven't ordered it recently. I have this product in my vanity from a very long time, so I know that this product works amazing. You can see that the contour part looks like this and the shade is good too. So I'm gonna apply contour here. And you can see that my face is looking a little bit thin than before, which is my favorite part. While I was searching for the blush, the highlighters in pink color were popping up and I didn't want to get pink highlighters because I will not use them in the further future. So I decided to stick with this as a blusher. So I'm gonna take a little bit quantity of this lipstick on my hand and I'm gonna apply this as my blush today. And I'm gonna take my blush up till here as well. Since I used the same color as a transition color on my eyes, I'm gonna use the same color for my lower lash line. Okay, so before highlighter, I love to use my makeup fixer. I've got this one. This is their Inside Makeup Essentials Makeup Fixer Spray, long lasting makeup fixer, non-sticky and refreshing, and this retails for ₹170, which is again under ₹200, and it works amazing. I've used it before as well, so I can say that. Okay, so for the highlighter, I am using that same product again, which has highlighter on the other side. I'm not a very huge fan of this highlighter. I don't know about the other highlighters they have, how they work, whether they perform good or not, but I'm not a very huge fan of this highlighter because this leaves a little chunk on the face, not too much but little chunks, which I don't like. I'm gonna use this clean side now to blend my. You can see that all the products of Inside Cosmetics blends in so smoothly. I love how their products blend on the skin. And okay, for the lips, I am gonna use this Inside Makeup Essentials Non-Transfer Lip Color. This is in the shade 01 Joyful and this is a warm bronzy color. I'm gonna apply this color, and this is again a very pretty color, though it will not complement the dress I am wearing, but I think I need to swatch it for you, so why not apply this only. Though the color is complementing my look, but I think I should have used that color only. The color is very pretty brown color, and this lipstick retails for just ₹81, and I was shocked because this is actually non-transfer proof. You can see that there is no color on my hand, so I think their lipsticks should be the best selling product. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial of this look. If I start telling you the things in arranging order, I must say that their primer is amazing. Their foundation is light coverage but good for daily base makeup, and same for the concealer, that it is very light coverage and it doesn't cover up your dark circles and the stuff, but it can give you the natural finish if you're going out casually. Talking about their metallic eyeshadow, I'm in love with this. For ₹180, I think this is the best product I'm getting, and you can see the finish of that metallic eyeshadow. It is just amazing. For the mascara, I can purchase another mascaras in the same price range better than this. I am not a very big fan of their mascara, and for their lipstick, the bullet one is just amazing. I used that as eyeshadow and as a blush, and it worked really amazing, you can see. So I would definitely tell you to go for that. And for liquid lipstick, this is the best product I've ever used from their range, because this is non-transfer proof and this is so amazing in just rupees 81. For contour and highlight, I must say that their contour part is really amazing. It blended in so seamlessly and it was working great. But for the highlighter, it leaves a little chunk on your face, which I do not usually prefer. So I would ask you to go for another highlighters in the same range. And yeah, this is my verdict on all the products I've used in this video. I'm not giving any verdict on the eyeliner, but you can see that this is still here, and you know, the swatch was very nice. But when I will wear this for at least 2 to 3 hours, I will be able to give better verdict of this. And for the setting spray was a very nice product. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you want more such tutorials of one brand makeup, then do leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends so that they can achieve this natural, glowing, subtle look on daily basis with the products under rupees 200. Yeah, do subscribe to my channel if not done yet. So thank you for watching, and I will meet you soon in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys, and I love you all.